out of gas, by the way.
You're always out of gas.
So always driving. This is Jen.
Wait. No, we gotta start over.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Don't be so close to my face.
Meet Jen. You've seen her before. It's her turkey season, and she's a bitter old lady. Are you excited?
Of course. Oh, the gaggle.
Well, make sure there's none farther back. Like back in that corner or something. Second go around of the day. Jen had some potty issues, so we're going.
What potty issues? I'm a girl and I had to pee. You want me to pee in a blind right next to you.
So potty issues, so we're gonna take down the blind and we're gonna go walk in on some public and see if we can't fire one up and see what kind of issues we run into there.
You're an idiot.
Probably more potty issues. Shooting right here, he's gonna come right up this way. Very still.
What just happened?
I mean, it feels great. Like, it's like a whole different feeling. I think even more than the gobbling, it was just, I mean, cause he was like right here. Just seeing how big he was. Like, he was huge.
Just strutted up, yeah.
Not like those jakes you put me on the first year. Actually shooting him and just the feeling like immediately after that I actually hit him, that was the best feeling.